Point number 1, white trousers, white jeans, white shorts, white skirts, white denim shorts, white denim skirts. It doesn't matter. Anything white in this department is gonna elevate your look so much this spring, and this can be done on any budget. If you want to buy any of the items that I mentioned today, visit the description box below because I'm gonna recommend some similar items for you to purchase on a budget. Point number 2, colorful trousers. So we are talking spring now, and actually now is the time to really pull out those colors. And if you start wearing color on your trousers, and I'm not talking about jeans now, I'm talking about a proper tailored trouser, you're going to see how many opportunities you're going to create in your wardrobe for new exciting color combinations and outfits. But it's also a little bit more fun to wear color in spring. Now is the time to pull out those pastels, those bright colors, and really store away those dark, boring, musky colors that we really saw all winter. We're fed up. We don't want to see them anymore. And the good news, ladies, the colorful trouser, you can wear it on any budget, which is why I included it on today's list. It's not going to cost you extra to change your color from boring to something fun and exciting on your trouser. Now, before I continue, this Monday, I am hosting a live workshop. There are style truths that they don't want you to know, and I'm going to reveal them because there are reasons to why, ladies, you have a closet full of clothes, but nothing to wear, and we're going to fix that. So make sure you go to styletruths.com and register. The invitation is absolutely free of charge. I will see you then. Point number 3, another perfect way to look elevated on a budget is when you wear loafers or even slip-in loafers, kind of mules, loafer mule, how do you call them? Anyway, super chic. Definitely is gonna look good with your white trousers or even colored trousers, because traditionally speaking, the loafer is a very preppy, very classic and very sophisticated type of footwear. So it would be a shame for you not include it in your wardrobe as a standard piece to have, especially now when it's spring and summertime. Point number 4, the sleeveless turtleneck or the short-sleeved turtleneck. All right, so we're moving away from winter, from fall. We're storing those turtlenecks away. And you know, turtleneck always makes a woman look incredibly elegant and sophisticated. But it's not too hot yet because we're still in spring, so we can wear a few turtlenecks if the sleeve is cut off. And actually, I'm going to show you an example here right now. I'm actually wearing a pair of white slip-in mules, loafer style. I'm also wearing white trousers, and then I'm wearing this incredible nice turtleneck without sleeves. And look, ladies, how expensive doesn't this look? And great news, you can do this on a budget. This doesn't have to cost you much at all, but still you look like $1 million. Guess why? The choice of color, the choice of style, and of course, I chose it, so I know what I'm talking about. Sorry, I had to be cheeky there. Number 5, I have spoken about this garment in my hauls many times now, and every woman needs to have this piece in her wardrobe because this is a staple piece. Talking about the shirt dress, and spring is the perfect time to wear it because it's not yet too hot like in summer where we might want to get rid of those sleeves, but it can also work as a great piece for women who are more interested in modest fashion. So I personally wear shirt dresses all year round. Actually, I really like to wear it as an everyday piece of garment. Point number 6, let's just pause there at a shirt dress for a little bit, because what would be really nice to add to this shirt dress is a thin belt. A medium thick can also work, or even sometimes a wider belt too. But in particular, the thin belt in brown color. Look what a great combination this looks like. Okay, maybe in this picture she's wearing a little bit of designer items, but truly you can recreate this look on a budget without having to really make a lot of effort. Because first things first, if you go to the high street, you can find many shirt dresses in fast fashion stores, and you can also find many thin brown belts, similar styles that cost you, I don't know, $20, $30 or up to $50. But look how much elevated this look will look. You're gonna look so sophisticated this spring, so enjoy. Number 7. So one secret that I'm generously going to share with you on how to look put together and expensive. Well, that is when you wear matching sets of coordinates. So the point here is that your top should be matching the trouser or the skirt, whatever it is you're wearing. It should come from exactly the same brand, from the same collection, from the same family. So here, because it's a matching set, it somehow just looks more coordinated and it elevates the entire look. I like, in particular, matchy silk sets. I think they look incredibly chic, and silk is one of those type of fabrics that always look expensive. This doesn't have to cost a lot of money. You can find great budget alternative in satin, which tends to be cheaper. Number 8. Expensive looking sneakers. I do recommend everyone to own a pair of nice hybrid sneaker. You know, when the sneaker is kind of a sneaker but also like a leather shoe at the same time, if possible, because that combination just elevates the look. And you can find these type of sneakers in fast fashion stores, but the secret is to look for sneakers that are very minimal, shouldn't be all kinds of weird detailing, and preferably free from any metal. Like, we don't want to see, I don't know, a golden or silver detailing on the shoe, because the high street tends to make that look incredibly low budget. Instead, we want something that is as simple, as minimal, as discreet as possible, and therefore is going to look more expensive than it actually is. And the good news is that sneakers don't cost a lot of money to produce, so for this reason you don't necessarily have to buy designer sneakers. Number 9, the tweed miniskirt. So fall and winter, we could maybe pull it off if we wore tights underneath, but in spring we can actually go bare-legged. And the tweed miniskirt is definitely going to be more popular with my younger audience, but I do believe even ladies my age could definitely pull it off as long as you know how to style it correctly. I definitely like the tweed miniskirt because it gives you more of a preppy look. It also has a form of sophistication to it. The good news is tweed miniskirts are really everywhere right now, so you're able to pick something up on a cheap, even low-cost budget, because truly you can find them everywhere. I'm sure you can even find it at a local market or something like that at this point. Number 10. Every woman should have these in spring. Talking about the oversized sunglasses, classic Jackie O inspired sunglasses that are just big, beautiful, and covers up your face nicely when you don't want to be seen. Now, in my next videos, 10 ways to look expensive on a budget in summer, I'm going to give you more tips that's going to prepare you for the next season, which is happening very soon. I will see you in that video.